So here's the proper connection of the data cables on these machines. We have the machines on the right side, we have the interface on the middle, and we have the finisher. So make sure the finisher cable, this one should be hooked up in here. There you go. And the machine hook up to the interface as this one. You can see there's a spare socket over here. We are going when you connect the stacker, so you'll be needing the long is if this is an option only if you have a stacker, so you can use the stacker there. So that's the proper connection. So since this one doesn't have a stacker, just take it out. This one, you don't need this. So there it goes. So easy. So we have the power cable, we have the data cable to interface to the machine, interface to the finisher. I think that's easiest. That's that one.